So today Alice wanted to help me with the video, and I'm gonna be doing a shoe haul, which is definitely different, but I thought that I would show you all of my spring shoe picks. And I think Alice doesn't want to move, but she's gonna have to move. Can you move? Can I show them my shoes? Get off. Alright, so the very first pair is some flip-flops, and they look like this. Do you like my shoes? Can I show them? And they're just black with a little gold detailing, and I thought they'd be really nice. They have a little bit of cushion to them. I thought they'd be really nice with jeans. I usually buy a pair of flip-flops once a year. I kind of wear shoes out really fast. I wear them until they die, basically. And then the next pair is some more sandals. Hi. Can you get off the couch? Thank you. And they look like this. So they're a little bit, I love you, but you're driving me crazy. They look like this, and they have a little bit of cushion to them as well. They're a little bit nicer, a little bit with like some skinny jeans or something like that. I thought that'd be really good for these. So that's that pair. And then the next pair is these. And these are from Sperry, and they are so cute, and they're kind of like a soft leather. I don't know. They're not velvet, but they're really soft material. And they're slip-ons, which I really like, and they also have quite a nice sole. They're kind of like memory foam. And I wanted them for, again, just to slip on really easily, but also have that closed toe look. So if I'm off running errands or something and I need a closed toe, I have one. The next one is some tennis shoes. So I haven't gotten new tennis shoes in about 3 years. And so I got these. These are the brand Raikou, but they're super comfortable. I know that my chiropractor friend likes his Brooks. I think he likes that brand, but they didn't have any at the store, and these were really good. They're a blue with a little bit of pink. I thought they were really fun. So I wanted to have those for my other job. I have to have tennis shoes. And then this is for I'm an esthetician, so I have to have black closed-toed shoes. So I went ahead and I got these, and they're just some Adidas memory foam tennis shoes, but they're not. This is actually like completely, they're not quite tennis shoes, though they look like them. They're really light, and they also not like as comfortable. I wouldn't want to go running in these. I wouldn't want to go walking in these. They're not as thick on the bottom. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but there's a difference between my running shoes and these. So these are just kind of like an athletic, cute shoe that I wanted to have for my esthetician job. Alright, last pair is a fun pair, and it is from the brand by Charles David, and it's a really cute pair. I needed some wedges. I had done a big shoe declutter a couple years ago. I didn't really buy any new wedges. I'm pretty minimalistic with my shoes. I buy what I need, I wear them out, I buy new ones. Yeah, actually the shoes I have now, the tennis shoes, have holes in them. They're really, really nasty. So my mom was like, you need to get new ones and throw those away, so I did. But the wedges are this, and it's so cute. It's quite a big heel, but I thought it would be casual enough to wear with jeans if I'm just out with my friends. Can you see Alice? She's just hanging. Hi. And do you want my shoe? And it's a velvet. No, it's like, I don't know what you call this, but it's like a soft leather. It's kind of like fuzzy a little bit. I don't know what you would call that, but it has a cork heel, and then it has this little strap, and I liked that style. It's not too dressy, not too casual. But again, I thought with a tan, that color would look really good. And just with jeans, a dress, you could dress it up and down, and it has a good heel, I mean like a padding, so I really enjoyed it. Yeah, and that was all that I bought. Let me know what shoe you guys like down below, and don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!